Do you want to retire, but you know you are scared because there's not enough funds or there's no funds to keep you up? Because you know, if you are working, you are covered. Maybe you've got medical aid or you've got medical insurance. But once you stop working, all of that fall away, and now you're on your own. So now the worry kicks in. Am I going to ask my children? Am I going to be a burden to others, friends, and family? Because who's going to look after me or who's going to give me a job after retirement? You can run your own online business from the comfort of your home and be absolutely successful. You know, in our community, I'm with the Legacy Builder program. In our community of the digital growth community, we have people of over 80 years old and they have retired. They did not have retirement funds and they are running their own successful business because they didn't need any experience, no tech skills needed. In the community, you are being given tech training. You are being given a program that is you follow from A to Z, that teaches you how to put automations together, that teaches you how to run a successful online business, earn 100% profit each and every time, as long as you do your 2-hour workday. So if you are worried about not want to retire because you don't have the tech skills, or you don't have you're not going to have a good medical cover, or you don't want to be a burden to others, if you're worried about all these different things, but before you retire, do not worry, because you can have an income from the comfort of your home and only work 2 hours a day, earn way more than what you used to earn when you were working. You can get medical cover, proper medical care, and get what you deserve in your golden years. So, if you want to also run your online business from the comfort of your home, follow a step by step blueprint that teaches you exactly how to do so. Drop me a reading in the comment, and I will send you all necessary information.